It's very easy, and what I want to do now is go to file manager in the hosting, file manager, film here. This is our new domain file manager. We can upload a WordPress here and install it. Before that, we have to download WordPress latest file. Get WordPress. Download WordPress 5.2.3. I always recommend you to download the latest WordPress platform because it have a secure and newest features. Don't use the old WordPress because it's very dangerous for our security, for website security. Okay, we got our WordPress here. What I want to do is just upload this file to here. Click upload. Then just drag this file to select file here. We just wait for this task into 100% complete. I'll pause this video. Okay, after upload complete, just click here, and then we got WordPress in zip file here. We have to extract it first. Just click this and then click extract. Extract where? Here, just in the root domain, extract file. Close. This is the WordPress file. We can delete this. Just click here and then delete. If the WordPress files in this folder we can't access in our main domain, but we will get in the main domain /WordPress. We have to move the files here in the up level. Just click select all and then right click and then move. We just delete this folder and then move files. Then click up one level. Here we go. This is our WordPress files. We can delete this empty folder. We got our WordPress file, and now we have to install it so we can access the admin page. What we have to do is, first we have to create a database. Back to our hosting control panel, and then we click MySQL databases. On this page, we create a database for our WordPress. Just click everything what you want to. For example, click create database. Then go back. After we create a database, we now create a new user for this database. For example, I want to get this and the password. Or you can create easily using password generator here. Click create user. Okay, success. Go back. The last step to creating database is connecting user database with our database. I want to create admin user and then digifilm. Click add. On this option, we just choose this all privileges and then all get check and make change. Okay, here we go. This is our database user and it is our database name. Just click go back. We can check here. This is our database name and this is our database username. Don't forget to remember the password that we have created. We run this domain, this homepage. Just reload this page. Click English or any language that you want. Click continue. Click this, let's go. On the database name, we just copy the database name here. On the database username, we just copy the username here. All of this. And the password, just the database password we have created before. Okay, after that we just click submit. Then click run the installation. We write here our website title. On this case, I want to write our domain name. And username to access our WP admin. I'll try my name. And password here. And the email here. And then click Install WordPress. Here we go, our WordPress got installed. Just click login. Then we log in with our username and password. Okay, we have success installing WordPress, and this is our dashboard. Just check and visit the site. Okay, this is the default template from WordPress. On the next video, I want to share about how to customize this visual, this template, and how to maximize the plugin to make your WordPress site powerful. If you have any question, please write in the comment. If you got not clear about this video, you can try to watch again and again. Thank you for your attention. Please support this channel with subscribe my channel, like and share with your friend. Thank you.